You like holding that big stick? I'll take that as a yes. Actually, Silver was asking for Musa. He needs another debrief about what happened at the lodge.
They hate us, don't they?
Well, of course they do. We're sitting in the middle of the track. It's obnoxious. What?
It's just that I can see that they hate us, but you have no idea how nice it is that I can't hear it.
Are you sure you want to do this? Hey, have you seen Musa? Oh, fuck. Somebody help me! I need some help! I've got to train. Let me know if you need another save. Any minute now, we might get called to an actual war. Specialists aren't just randoms who are picked up off the street. We're selected. We train for years. Hey, ladies. Figured you for an IPA kind of girl. Yeah, Chris, packs a punch. Stout for the mind fairy. Smooth, take your mind off all the emotional shit.
Thanks, Riv. Upstairs. I can feel it.
Look at you, proving me wrong.
Could still use some pointers.
What's you left? Run.
Well, thanks. That's twice. Well, I never got to thank you for bringing me back to school. I can barely remember anything.
Yeah, you were out cold. I chucked you over my shoulder and got the fuck out of there.
You chucked me.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'll be more delicate next time I'm saving your ass from fucking monsters. Anyway, one, you're a girl, so I'm not gonna go all out.
Misogynistic. Ow!
Two, cool moves aside, you're not a specialist. You could get hurt.
Bit more valid.
I'm only half kidding. I can easily start her up on a light training regimen in our downtime.
What downtime? This isn't fucking daycare. No offense.
Wasn't clever enough to offend me. No offense. I will literally do anything.
Your life is your life. You can live it how you want. Fuck everybody else. The thing is, pretty sure people will understand that. You could get hurt, Musa, or worse, killed. And it's dangerous to everyone else. So go ahead, play dress up. It's not like there's more important things going on. I'm happy not to spend the day shoveling, but it's not going to happen.
Afraid of being beaten by a girl?
Riv? No. She wants a lesson. Let's go.
I used to be a dancer. Kind of miss being physical.
Yeah, well, too bad. You're a fairy. They don't care what you want to be in this place, only what they want you to be.
You really hate being here, don't you?
Stay the fuck out of my head. Mime fairies.